The all-around best property management software for small landlords and investors is... As an investor or a property manager with a small portfolio, it's pretty easy to fall into the trap of managing everything manually. You know, the good old Excel spreadsheet. And there's no denying that it works better than managing everything through your smartphone's notes app, but even if you only have a few properties, there are far better options available. So why would you want to use a property management software? It makes it much easier to collect rent and do it faster. It helps you streamline maintenance requests and tenant communications. It simplifies the screening and application process, and it gives you accounting tools that are purpose-built for property management instead of using a general accounting system like QuickBooks, which can be a little inconvenient. And since this is for landlords and investors with smaller portfolios, we made this list with the following in mind: some sort of free plan or trial, affordable pricing, a robust set of features, and programs that are generally pretty easy to use and get started with. And we broke it down into 4 categories: best free plan, most affordable, the best for reporting, and the best all around. Let's talk about which ones have the best free plans. Several property management softwares offer a free trial, and a handful of them also offer free plans. But just keep in mind that while a free plan might be a great place to start, oftentimes you'll find that it's pretty limited in terms of its feature set and what you can actually do with it. However, if you don't have the budget right now to spend on software, then these could be a really great place to start. If you're looking for a simple solution that you can take with you on your smartphone, Landlordy is a good option. They have an iOS and an Android app with a decent enough UI, though not the best. But compared to some of the other options we're going to talk about later, their feature set can be pretty limited. Landlordy offers a 100% free version with some basic features, and for $14.99 you can upgrade to the more premium version that has some more accounting features and data backup. But honestly, Landlordy doesn't even come close to some of the more robust features on this list, even with its premium plan. And if you want a property management solution that doesn't sacrifice features just for a better price, be sure to watch till the end of this video to see what we chose for the all-in-one best property management solution. Avail is another good option that has a more comprehensive feature set than Landlordy while still offering a free plan. Unlike Landlordy's premium plan, Avail isn't quite as cheap. Other pros and cons include a decent UI that's pretty easy to maneuver. However, getting started could be a challenge because it seems like Avail doesn't necessarily offer a lot of great tutorials or a strong knowledge base for their users to learn from. Some of the more notable features that Avail has include online rent payments, work order management, tenant screening, and automatic listings. Now, Avail does offer a free plan with an unlimited number of units. However, their Unlimited Plus plan can get a little pricey even compared to some of the higher tier options on this list. If you wanted to be able to dive into some of their more valuable features, it's going to cost you around $5 per unit per month. Next up is TenantCloud. TenantCloud offers a similar free plan to Landlordy in that it's free up to 75 units. Now, it's not unlimited, but if you have a smaller portfolio, it'll suffice just the same. If you're looking for an app that you can take with you on the go, Landlordy is probably still going to be the best choice for you. However, the one benefit that TenantCloud has over Landlordy is a stronger feature set on not only its paid plan, but also its free plan. Some of those features include online rent payments, work order management, and vendor payments. Now, TenantCloud is a free plan for up to 75 units, but if you're looking for something a little bit more robust with a little bit more features, their standard plan is $12 for 150 units, and their growth plan is $40 a month for 150 units as well. Let's talk affordability for a second. You want to get the most for your money, right? But that doesn't just mean what's the cheapest, it means what's the most affordable that's going to do everything you need it to do to streamline your property management business. So I have 2 really great options for property managers and investors with smaller portfolios that are looking to get a pretty robust set of features without paying an arm and a leg. First, for affordability, is SimplifyEm. Now, this is a great option if you're primarily looking for an accounting software for your property management business. SimplifyEm makes tracking and collecting rent much easier, along with a couple other unique features. You can actually do a free trial of the full software without giving away any of your personal information to see if it's right for you. Some of the features you can find with SimplifyEm include some pretty robust accounting features, a nice QuickBooks integration, reminders, and automated rent payments. And as far as pricing goes, like I said, there is a free trial, and then after that, it's $20 a month for up to 10 units, making it one of the more affordable options on this list. Next up is Property Matrix. Property Matrix is good for businesses with very specific reporting needs. Offering over 500 customizable reporting fields, this software allows you to get reports on virtually anything you're gonna need. Some other notable features include a mobile app, custom user roles, custom fields and reports, and ACH and credit card payments. It's important to note that many users reported that Property Matrix pricing was pretty high for small businesses, especially compared to some of the other softwares we're going to see on this list. Pricing for their starter plan comes in at $400 a month, and honestly, even if you manage upwards of 250 units, there are other softwares with more robust features on this list that are going to come in at a better price point for you. Now, like I said, for powerful custom reports, Property Matrix isn't a bad option. However, it may be worth it to explore other options with similar or even higher functionalities at a lower price point. Rentec Direct is a property management tool with a large set of features and a great pricing model. Their accounting features in particular are diverse and include everything from online rent payment to robust reporting tools. However, users report that the interface is a little hard to navigate, making it a little bit of a pain to use on a regular basis. Like I said, they have great accounting features, but they also have features like work order management, tenant communication tools, and they have an owner portal. Rentec Direct's pricing starts at $35 a month for up to 10 units, and it increases from there based on a tiered plan. So for up to 50 units a month, you'll be paying $55. For 100 units a month, you'll be paying $90, and you'll be paying $450 for up to 500 units a month. Buildium is another option that has a strong set of features to help you manage your portfolio. In addition to its solid feature set, users report that it has a great set of tutorials to help you get started with the software. Now, that's countered by the fact that there are so many features that some users report that it's a little overwhelming and confusing, especially if it's their first time using a property management software. Some of those features include work order management, online rent payments, good reporting features, and expense tracking. As far as pricing goes, they do have a 14-day free trial, and then after that it is $50 for up to 20 units, and then $235 for up to 150 units. Now, last but certainly not least, we have our pick for the best all-around property management software for small landlords and property managers. Whether you're a property manager or investor with just a few properties or a vast portfolio, if you want something that checks off all of the boxes, this is where you're going to want to look. And the all-around best property management software for small landlords and investors is DoorLoop. As far as features go, DoorLoop does everything mentioned in this video thus far and then some, allowing you to handle all of your accounting needs, from automatic rent payments via multiple payment methods to managing your work orders and allowing tenants to submit maintenance requests themselves in the app. You can communicate with your tenants straight through the app. You can access an owner portal for easy and quick reporting, and simplify the process of bringing in new tenants using things like automatic listing and tenant screening. And if all of that wasn't enough, DoorLoop is purpose-built for ease of use. The UI is hyper-responsive, load times are lightning fast, and it's easy to find anything you need in a matter of seconds. So then what does their pricing model look like? If you click the link in the description, you can get 50% off your first 2 months with DoorLoop. After that, it is $49 for up to 20 units with room to grow. So when it's all said and done, which one should you pick? You should choose based on what's most important to you and what's most important to your business. Is it custom reporting? Is it affordability? Is it the user interface? Whether you decide to go with one of the options on this list or you decide to stick with the old Excel spreadsheet, I hope this list helped break down some of your options and help you find the best choice for you. And don't forget about that 50% off your first 2 months with the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already to see more videos about how to streamline and grow your property management business, and I will see you in the next one.